In manufacturing, every second and every decision counts. Hidden in daily operations are wastes that quietly reduce profit, efficiency, and quality. At Elasto Proxy, we help companies identify and eliminate these wastes, turning inefficiency into opportunity. Waste isn't always visible. It's any activity that consumes resources without adding value to your customer. Recognizing it is the first step to eliminating it. Here are some specific examples of manufacturing waste that you can avoid. Unused knowledge. Unused knowledge occurs when employees' insights and experience stay locked away. This leads to repeated mistakes, inconsistent quality, and slower problem solving. Elasto Proxy captures and standardizes expertise through documentation, collaborative reviews, and continuous improvement, instantly expanding your team's knowledge base when you outsource fabrication to us. Overprocessing happens when more work is done than needed, polishing unseen parts, or over-specifying tolerances. This raises costs without adding value. We prevent overprocessing by designing for manufacturability, advising on materials and tolerances, and streamlining processes to keep production lean. Overproduction ties up cash flow and storage space while risking obsolescence. We align supply with real demand, delivering the parts you need when you need them, reducing inventory, risk, and improving flow. We don't just fabricate parts. We partner with you to streamline your operations. Using technical expertise, lean principles, and flexible supply, we reduce waste across design, production, and inventory, creating efficient, cost-effective, and high-quality results.